excited to introduce the XP2F flow metering package from Cla-Val. This is an all-encompassing instrumentation package that includes an inlet and outlet pressure transmitter as well as a valve-mounted position sensor. This allows for flow indication as well as flow control, and we're able to use that for a multitude of applications. The XP2F package can be combined with any one of Cla-Val's many pilot systems. For example, here we have it with Cla-Val's standard 9001 pressure reducing valve. We could combine it with an altitude valve, we could combine it with a sustaining valve. There's many pilot configurations that this XP2F package could be retrofitted on. The massive benefit for the XP2F package is that it can be retrofitted on existing Cla-Vals, as well as for installations where you possibly don't have the required inlet and outlet pipe lengths when you would use other traditional flow meter technology. The XP2F can go into any Cla-Val reduced port, full port, angle, globe, and also our KO trim. The XP2F package includes an inlet and outlet pressure transmitter. That is the Cla-Val X141 PT, which uses a factory standard 4-to-20 back to the flow module. We also have the X117H position transmitter, which also uses a 4-to-20 back to the flow module. And the final component, which is the X35 flow module, that takes all the information in and actually outputs the flow in a 4-to-20 value that can be sent to the SCADA system for the flow indication. This X35 is an easy push-button display that allows you to do all the calibration in the field. There's no programming required, and all these components would be the same components no matter what size of valve you are using. So besides the X35 just being thought of as something that can calculate and measure the flow for you, you can also think of it more as a data logger or an instrumentation acquisition module. There's 4 analog inputs and 4 analog outputs, which allows us to take, as mentioned, the position and the pressure, but we could also take some additional field devices and put them into the module. This does have an SD card, so that allows for data logging as well, and again retransmitting to your SCADA system. When this XP2F is in action, what we'll be able to see is the inlet and outlet pressure transmitters will be retransmitting to the X35 flow module, and the X117H position will be also retransmitted. So we would be able to see the pressure not only just on our gauges here, but we'd also be able to see it on the main screen, as well as the actual indicator moves up inside of the visual indicator here, we would be able to see the position there. So by navigating through the menus, the main menu would be able to see your flow and your totalized flow. But we also have a sub-menu where you can tab over and then be able to see all the individual pressures and flows and positions that you currently have. So to develop this XP2F package, we use some existing products or upgraded products that we've been using for many years and been very successful with, as well as developed a brand new X35 flow module. This wasn't just one engineer working, this was a collaboration of many engineers across our facilities that joined together and designed and came up with all the parameters that we needed to be successful to the marketplace. As Cla-Val is a global company, this venture was set out with the purpose to serve all our customers throughout the world. So here in North America, we worked very closely with our Europe facility based in Switzerland to come up with a package that we thought would meet the Cla-Val standards that is required. Cla-Val manufactures all of its goods in-house, and that allows us to really control the level of quality that we produce. All the programming, all the design, everything you see here was done by us, for our customer base, and we're very excited about this new product.